Hi everyone, myself Ranjith. I'm working as a functional consultant in Tayana Solutions, and in this video we are going to see about a case study where we have worked on a specific scenario for a customer. I will give a short, a short explanation about this customer and their industry. This customer is a shoe manufacturer, and they used to manufacture shoes and they have two line of business. They used to manufacture normal shoes, also they used to manufacture custom boots. So this is a small background about customer, and the requirement from the customer is like, so uh, since they are uh, manufacturer of shoes, they used to purchase raw materials from the vendors uh, in the contract basis, but they don't want to track any contracts in the system as of now. So what they have decided is like, they have decided with go with the preferred vendor uh, feature in Acumatica. The problem with the preferred vendor is it will not restrict the user to create. For example, if a preferred vendor defined in the system, it will not restrict the user to create purchase order for any other vendor for the raw material. So customer wants this to be restricted or this to be going into an approval map process. So that was the requirement from the customer. So the problem we have faced is like, there is no preferred vendor field in the system. So because of it, there is no preferred vendor field in the purchase order screen. So because of it, we can't use that particular field value for approval map process. So what is the solution we have provided is like, we have provided two solutions. One is a complete customization, or another one is a business event process. So business event is like, we have created an UDF field in the purchase order screen, and one generic inquiry, one business event, and one import scenario to complete this automation process. So let's see what I have did. So I have created a UDF field called preferred vendor not matching. That's in the purchase order screen, and I have created a generic inquiry. So this generic inquiry will pull the information whenever the purchase order is created for a non-preferred vendor of a stock item. And second thing is like, a third thing is like, I have created a business event. So based on the result of generic inquiry, the business event will automatically trigger. And in the trigger, in the business event, I have two subscribers. One is like email email notification as one subscriber. So it's a normal process. We don't have anything to be customized or anything to be special flow in that. And second thing is a import scenario. So what this import scenario will do, this import scenario will go and update the UDF field in the purchase order. So by using the value of that UDF field, we are triggering the approval map. That's what we did as a customization, like, or we did as a custom flow for this customer. And let's go to the Acumatica and let's see how this works. So I have created one sample purchase order, but let's create a new one. And let's see, sorry, it should be Lego piece. And I'm trying to purchase some 50 quantity. So before I'm saving this record, let's go to the stock item and let's see what is the preferred vendor for this for the stock item. So this AA services is not a preferred vendor for this stock item. So no worries. Let's close this. And I'm going to save this record. Let's go into the business event quickly. Normal. I think the record got okay. Here is the record. AA services and logo piece. And let's go to the business event. I have this business event here. And let's go to this generic inquiry just for showing the data, how the data is pulling off. So you can see the number 2519. It's the uh, purchase order number, and this purchase order got pulled into this particular business event, since it is not matching with the preferred vendor. So you can see, just for reference purpose, you can see the preferred vendor for the stock item is this one, and since it's not matching, business event got pulled the data. And let's go to the business event, and let's see the um, trigger history. And yeah, I think the business event got triggered. So it got triggered at 12:13. So without no issues, both the things are triggered. Like both email also get triggered off, and import scenario also got triggered off. So let's go to the purchase order and let's refresh this. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to remove from hold. So if I remove from hold, automatically it went into a approval map process. Why it happened? So while the business event triggered in the back end, it also triggered the import scenario, and that import scenario this updated this particular UDF field. So while I was creating this purchase order, this UDF field is preferred vendor not matching is not enabled, and now this checkbox is enabled because of the business event. And in the purchase order preference, I have defined the approval map. So where you can see this approval map. So I have given the condition that whenever this UDF field is not matching, UDF field is equal to enabled equal to true. So I should go into a approval process, and that's what happening now. So this is the way I have achieved this custom process, that where if the purchase order is not created for the stock items preferred vendor, then the system will trigger an approval map for the user who can able to approve this purchase order. I hope this information helps. Thank you.